this is an impeachment court. This is not. We are not bound by technical rules, unlike court proceedings where lawyers are familiar and would really want, to make it as orderly and as technical as possible.
And I just need to put this on record kasi nga, sinasabing wag tayo masyadong technical. Pero, to a certain extent, kailangan naman ho natin tingnan naman yung rules natin kasi maayos ho tayo, di ba? So, I want to read into the record, parang dinescribe niya kung bakit hindi na daw papupuntahin si Attorney Lopez kasi naman daw napakita na daw ng defense yung video kung saan siya ay crying and complaining. So, observations na po yun ni Attorney Kapunan. Hindi po siya ang witness. Hindi po siya ang dapat nagsasabi sa judges na crying and complaining yung isang testigo. Trabaho po yun ng abogado na i-elicit yun dun sa witness na mapepresenta doon. So yun po yung reason kung bakit hindi ho pwede yun. We're not being technical, but neither of the lawyers here are allowed to stand up and be the one to explain what you are experiencing. That is the job. That is for the witness to do. Your job is to ask the witness questions. Yun. So to be clear, it's not being technical, but it's making sure magawa niyo yung trabaho niyo na maayos at magtanong tayo ng maayos sa witnesses. Kung di na pala siya papupuntahin, di no need na to say kung ano yung na-observe. Kasi nga, hindi na ho sa inyo yon as lawyers. Yun lang naman po.